Morning guys, it's Sai here from All Creator Hub channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys a test for Insta360 Go Ultra for all the gear that came with the Go Ultra Creator gimbal. The first one, power stand. The second one gonna be the head clips, and guys the safety strap, how we can use it, at what condition we can use it. And then the last one guys is gonna be the magnet pendant, and the last one we're gonna try with check the selfie stick that came with our Go Ultra guys. So stay tuned. Magnet pendant wear like a necklace, stick camera to it, and here is the footage you're gonna get. This is the very useful for the POV shot. I already arrived at the waiting area of the Sky train station at Bangkok. I will just take only one station to the other direction, to the direction behind me guys, and let's see how is the POV shot with the Go Ultra.
Next station, Ratayoti.
Here we go guys for the other POV shot under low light condition. You see my X4 have very poor visibility, and here we go. Here another under low light condition. Here is my X4 have very poor visibility. So guys, let's see how is the POV shot from our Insta360 Go Ultra. I already put on the magnet pendant. Now just in front of the Starbucks shop, and let's go get a coffee and let's see how is the POV. Stay tuned guys. Hello, take the mocha, ice mocha. One. Thank you. Mocha. Guys, for the head clip, make sure you put it in the correct position. Otherwise, you will get very shaky footage from your Go Ultra. So the letter should be in the correct position, and then after that you just stick here. And let me show you guys when I take the Sky train at Bangkok, how is the footage from this guy. Here is the head clip shot result. Make sure you minimize your head movement to get more stable footage. Here we go. When I move my head a lot, you guys can see the clips. It's shaky. It's quite shaky guys. Here I move my head up and down, and you can see the footage also moving a lot. But with the head clip shot, it is very useful to show the audience the scene that you want to show in your video, or when you're telling the story is very useful. Guys, the good thing about the pure stand that you can stick to anywhere with the Insta360 Go Out is very useful for especially for the one who are cooking the video. Just can stick to your kitchen wall and then just record all your stuff. And another thing, this guy is very strong when it's sticking. Guy, you want to take it out? Just pull it. Just pull it from this strap. If you don't want to stick to the wall, you have the fridge, and you want to do the recording. Yeah, same thing. You can just do like that. Just put on top of your fridge and then recording your video. And now I finish mounting my camera and start shooting. Let me show you guys. How is it? Yeah, guys, when you are arriving at the location, you are difficult to mount your camera, so you can just simply install like that. Just stick to the clean area, and then at the same time you guys can use the strap also. Now you guys are joining me from Bangkok, and I'm just shooting the traffic behind me. The scene is very beautiful here, guys. The train is coming in and just going out. Let's see the footage together. Here is the result, shooting with the pivot stand for the time-lapse shot is very cool and very useful for the pivot stand guy. Here we go, another shooting result, just sticking the pivot stand to the place where it is suitable for shooting the scene that you want to shoot. Okay, the next one. Okay guys, after finish shooting, just try to unstrap it, and yeah, just try to bring it back. Yeah, just like that, and then also the strap, just put it properly. There we go, finish. Guys, this is the test for the Insta360 Go Ultra selfie stick that came with the creator combo, guys. For selfie stick, just mount the camera on the selfie stick and start shooting. Yeah, you guys can see the locking handle is a little bit coming out, but anyway, it's convenient and good to use. Another thing, if you have the Apple Watch for start and stop recording, you guys can use you guys can control from the watch directly, guys. Okay guys, next one, shooting without using the selfie stick. Here I put my hand and touch the camera body, and my hand appear in the footage. So when we are shooting without the selfie stick, make sure we are not touching the removable camera body. Have to hold our hand like this one, and here is the result. So our hand will not be appear in the clips and will be very good, guys. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video. Give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe to help me make more video like this. I'll see you guys next time. If you want to check more video, can check in my channel too. Bye.